Welcome to the world of event management, a dynamic industry where creativity meets organization and every detail counts. Let's dive into a SWOT analysis to understand the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats in event management you need to be good at. Creativity and innovation, excellent organizational skills, client satisfaction. Weakness, budget constraints, high stress levels, dependency on external vendors. Opportunities, technological advancements, growing market, networking and partnerships. Threats, unpredictable factors, economic downturns, health risks. Despite the challenges, the event management industry is brimming with opportunities. Let's explore some of them. Adapting to the digital age by offering online and hybrid event solutions. Expanding into corporate meetings, conferences, and team-building events. Utilizing social media platforms to market events and reach a wider audience. In conclusion, event management is a field full of potential, with strengths like creativity and organization, and opportunities like technological advancements and market growth. It's an exciting industry to be a part of. Ready to take your event to the next level? Contact Fusion Events today and let's make your vision a reality.